bus stop division. In this video, we're going to look at how to turn a number like 63 shared into groups of 3 into how we set it out as a bus stop. The first thing we need to understand is that the 63 goes inside the bus shelter because that's the number that we've got. We've got 6 10s and 3 1s, and we're going to be sharing them between 3. Now, if we're going to draw out our place value counters like we have here, we can think about the fact that we can share them into groups of 3. So there's one group of 3 and there's 2 groups of 3. So I can record my 2 up there, or I can simply ask how many 3s does it take to make 6, and the answer being 2. Then how many 3s can I take away from the 3 that I've got? I can take one group away from it, which would look like this. With another question, we now have 72 shared into groups of 4. Again, with the place value counters, I've drawn out 7 10s for my 70 and 2 1s for my 2. I'm going to be asking myself how many lots of 4 can I take away this time, but there's a slight problem because 4 goes into 7, but it leaves some left over. So when we share it out this time, we're going to end up with one group of 4 that we can take away, but we have 3 bits that are left over, which is 30, which is still left. And we record this by putting the 3 up here. We've still got 3 10s left over. So we're now asking for 32. But I might not be able to share into 4 piles my 32, so I might need to think about counting in my 4 times table. So I've drawn out to the side my 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. I can count how many groups I have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can record my answer up there. So sometimes we might need to draw out the times table to be able to help us to work out those answers. Okay, again, 75 shared into groups of 5. I've drawn out my 70 or my 7 10s. I've drawn out my 5 1s. Again, we will have the situation where if I'm taking away, how many 5s can I take away? There's one group of 5. I have 2 bits left over, which are right up there. So I've still got 25 that I need to do. Now I could draw 5 circles and share 25 out like we've been doing with our sharing, or I could write down my 5 times table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had one group there and my 5 bits that we had. Nice and simple. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is you're going to pause the video and you're going to have a go at doing your activity. Your activity, you can either choose to do the spicy challenge or you can choose to do the hot challenge, and they look like this on your screen. This is the spicy challenge. Okay, and the numbers are set out, but you need to set them out as bus shelter, just like I've shown you how to do. The 69 will go inside the bus shelter and the 3 is the number that we are sharing into. Or you can have a go at doing the hot challenge, where you've got some that do involve using that exchange. How many 3s could I take away from that 70? So drawing them out. So you're going to pause the video now and have a go at doing your challenge. You're going to work for no more than 20 minutes. When you've finished your 20 minutes, or you finish before your 20 minutes, then you can press unpause and we will go on to the next bit of the video, which is called the plenary. Okay, in the plenary, hopefully you've paused your video, we have a challenge, and the challenge is what is 74 shared into groups of 2. So have a go in your book at having a go at the challenge, and then when you upload your work onto Seesaw, hopefully I should be able to see what your answer is, and I will go through it tomorrow when we can see. Right, brilliant guys. I hope you have a really good fun doing your numeracy and we will speak to you later.